If you want to know how to underline in Prezi, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to create a clean underline effect using a straight line shape so you can make your text stand out in a simple and professional way. This is a great trick for titles, labels, highlights, and any text you want to emphasize inside your Prezi presentation. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Prezi presentation and go to the top toolbar. Find the insert button and click it. This is where Prezi keeps the different elements you can add to your canvas, including text, images, icons, and shapes. Once the insert menu opens, choose shapes from the drop-down. When you do that, the shapes panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, look for the straight line graphic icon and click it. This will place a line onto your canvas. At first, it may appear in a default position, but don't worry because the next step is to position it exactly where you want it. Now click and drag the line directly underneath the text you want to underline. Try to line it up as closely as possible with the words above it so it looks intentional and polished. If the line is too long or too short, grab the square endpoints on either side and stretch or shrink it until it matches the length of your text. This is the key to making it look like a real underline instead of just a random line on the page. You can also move it slightly up or down until it sits perfectly below the text. Next, let's make sure the underline matches your design. Click on the line so it becomes selected, then look up at the top formatting toolbar. Find the line color icon, which looks like a pencil, and click it. From there, choose a color that matches your text or fits your presentation style. Matching the color helps the underline blend in naturally and gives your Prezi slide a cleaner, more professional look. If you want, you can also adjust the line further by resizing or repositioning it until everything feels balanced. Once it looks right, that's it, you've successfully created an underline effect in Prezi using a simple straight line shape. This method works really well when you want to emphasize text without using a built-in underline tool. It's fast, flexible, and easy to repeat across your presentation. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Prezi tips, presentation tricks, and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.